Okay, boys and girls, our number of the day today is the number 4. We're going to count and clap to the number 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Everybody point to the number 4 on their screen like this. Good job pointing to the number 4. We are going to practice tracing our number 4. Let's find the red dot and put our finger on it. We go down and over and down once more. That's the way we make a 4. Good job. One more time. Point to the red dot. We go down and over and down once more. That's the way we make a 4. Great job.